Oh! Yep, come on out there, boy.
Damn, you two right on top.
Sure did.
There you go.
Sure did.
Yay!
Yay!
Right in front of the camera.
Yeah. Yep.
Finally.
Right on top of
He
him.
was way back there, wasn't he?
He was, man. I was like,
Damn.
I was thinking I'd never even get the bait back, let alone a fish on it.
Holy
But
crap.
yeah, he was way back there. There you go.
Well, that's the key, man.
Yeah, he was way up in that grass, man. There you go. I see. Now that's totally different. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Buzz bait action again?
Yeah.
Like they think?
Oh, come on. Oh yeah, got him.
Another deep one off. That's a good fish.
Yep.
Skinny, isn't he?
He is. He's long. Ooh, barely got him. Ooh. Thanks for playing, dude. You're not that huge, but it's fun anyway.
Yeah.
Bye, bye. Got him? Oh yeah, you better get him with all them hooks, man. And a stick. That's a twofer, man. Oh, you caught him at the top of the head, huh? There you go, you didn't miss that one. Good fish there, looks like. Yep, oh yeah, good fish.
That's you, buddy.
Didn't miss that one.
Thanks, buddy. Figured there had to be one out there.
Got one? That was a quiet one.
Yeah.
Real quiet. Kind of thought you were hung up there for a second.
Yeah. That's kind of a weird one. He was kind of out a little further.
Oh, geez.
Back to back.
Dang, dude.
That's good fish.
That one's got a little snoof to it.
Yeah.
Let me see what you got there.
He's
Oh,
in the weed.
there you go. That's good there.
Back to back
I like
cast.
that. The honey hole there.
Yeah. was awesome.
Yeah, that's the way you want it.
Yeah, I want it like that every time.
Oh, that one's not getting away. Reel it, Chad. Reel it.
He wasn't gonna get me off in them weeds again.
Oh man.
Fish.
Yeah.
All about the same size today. You're gonna lose him.
Oh shit.
That's how you gotta do it. You gotta see him. Yeah, he was way back there.